Hey guys, how are you guys doing? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this 3D applique. It's super simple to make, and if this sounds like something you want to learn, do stay tuned to the end of this tutorial. The link to my Instagram page is going to be in the description box below. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below so I know your thoughts and suggestions. Without further ado, let's jump right into this tutorial. Here are some of the items we're going to be needing for this tutorial. We have our cup chain, we have our hemming gum. The length of the hemming gum is 8.75. It's different from the normal 1 inch you're used to. We have our quilling here, which is also known as horsehair braid. You could use fabrics like organza, organdy, and those fabrics will help you achieve this tutorial. Next up, you want to get a cardboard. It could be any cardboard of any size, and then cut out the shape you want to achieve with your 3D applique. Once I was done cutting out my shape, I went forward to cut out both my horsehair braid as well as my organza fabric with the same length as my hemming gum. So the length I use is 8.75. This will just enable me have an easy cutout when it's time to cut out the shape. So I place it in a sandwich method, which is the horsehair braid, the hemming gum, and then the organdy, just like in the video. Then give this a good press. When you give this a good press, you should have something that looks like this. You want to create 2 pieces of the step 1 we just did. You should have something that looks like this in 2 places. We're going to create another sandwich method again because I want the organza, which is the shining face we have over there, to show on both sides. So we're going to be joining this with the hemming gum, the 2 pieces together with the hemming gum, and just go over with your iron. Done with ironing, you should have something that looks like this, and it's on both sides. So the whole idea of this is to have the shining face on both sides. You could just stop at the first stage if you're not interested in having it on both sides. Moving forward, now we have our pattern shape we've cut out with the cardboard, and you're just going over now just to cut this out on the actual fabric we're going to be using. So you just go over, cut, repeat this multiple times till you have your desired amount you want to use for your dress. And when you do this, you might see a little bit of bubbles in the fabric or wrinkles. Don't worry about that. Once you're done cutting out the shape, you can go over with your iron and iron each and every one of the shape. It's going to lay down flat like this. After that, you go over with either your candle, if you have a lighter, just to, burn off the raw edges. If you're doing this, you need to be very careful with the way you handle the candle just to avoid it getting burnt. You can see how nice and neat that was. We're going to be using the E7000 for this project, as well as our cup chain. So you want to pick one of the design shape cutout we have, and then just apply your E7000 to the edges. You're done with gluing this down, you can still go over with your needle and thread just to sew this down. But another way I was able to solidify this was to place something heavy after gluing it, just like in the video. This will just help keep the glue intact to the cup chain. So you've gotten to this part of this tutorial and you're not yet subscribed. Why? Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscription is free. It will mean a lot to me. Click on the down bell so you get notified when I post a new tutorial. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. The comment section is open to your thoughts and your suggestions. There are multiple ways to achieving this 3D applique, one of which is this method I showed you guys, and another is using this copper wire to achieve this. So if you want me to make a tutorial on how you could use a copper wire to achieve this same design, do let me know in the comment section and I would look into creating something for you guys. We've come to the end of this tutorial. If you did find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Until then, I will see you in my next tutorial.